birds those are.
I don't know. Homie birds?
Dang.
That's so crazy.
Can you imagine how they communicate?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out too. That's almost... Where'd it go? Over there now?
It doesn't look as cool. Close. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's more scary and disgusting up close.
I think those are black.
Black crows?
Blackbirds?
Blackbirds.
They look smaller than crows. Dude, that's amazing though. Look at them.
Yeah, the coordination, right?
More in unison, yeah. Like, I wonder what... I bet we could Google what they're doing.
Yeah.
Why. Still recording?
Yeah. That is cool but disgusting.
More cool.
You think so? Because imagine that's like a ants.
I mean, think about it. How do these birds, how do they have the instinct to do it? I mean, it's built into them.
Yeah, there's one alpha bird.
Like, we couldn't do that and we can talk to each other.
Yeah. Well, actually, we could band shows.
What?
Band field shows?
Yeah, you can practice. You think they practice?
Yeah, I think they do practice.
This is practice right now.
You go to Little Bean from here? Or you just walk over?